So now let's see how we can work around with text color and highlight inside of WordPad. So in order to work with text color and highlight, first of all, I'm going to zoom in the document. So here, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in text like this is a sentence just like this. So now what I'm going to do is in order to change the text color, I can select this out. Maybe I want to only change the color of the word sentence. I'm just going to select out the sentence word in specific. And then what I can do is over here, you can see that there's the text color. If I were to click on it, you can see that I can choose around various colors. If I want to make it red, I select red and there you go. Now the sentence word is red. Let's say now I want to change the color of the word this. So I'm going to select the word this just like this. And then I'm going to click this and choose, let's say for example, faded blue. If I want to choose another color, I can access more range of colors by going on to the more color option, where I can choose more basic colors like orange and so forth. I can also define custom colors. So I can go around, select the color I want, use the sliders, or even enter the values if I want to, values of red, green, and blue. I can click on add to custom colors and it will be added over here in custom color section. I can go around over here on the top, drag this down, click on add to custom colors. Click and drag this around over here, add to custom colors and so forth. And I can select the custom color, press OK, and that color is applied over here. If I were to select this out, go around into more color, now you can select the same custom color and click on OK to apply that out as well. I can also go around and add in a highlight color. Let's say for example, if I were to select the word sentence and then click on this one, I can choose yellow for example, and that word is highlighted over here. I can go around over here, click on no color to remove the highlight. I can select portion of this and let's say for example, just this portion, click on the highlighter and then I can choose the highlight color. Unfortunately, as for text, you don't have the more color option for highlighter. You can select this, go around over here, choose another color. You can select this, go around over here, choose another color just like this. And that is how you can work around with text color and highlight color inside of WordPad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.